Good morning, good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the crypto market cap from back in 2023 and the current price action of XRP. So, all right, guys, we're going to take a look, and the Sigma coin, of course. And so currently today we're looking at the this market cap chart here from a capitulation window back in Wednesday. Was the June 22nd. Let's try June 15th of 2022 through October of 2023. So we had a little window of time here for this accumulation, and here's XRP doing the similar behavior. So XRP had its breakout off the lows. We had a breakout off the lows for the total crypto market cap, lower level, a bounce, a lower level, and a bounce, and then a capitulation to the lows, From there, we ended up doing an ABC move back up to the top of the range, which we did here, ABC move back up, and then a rollover collapse, which then resulted in a rollover and a collapse for an ABC back down again, an ABC back down again. From that, we ended up doing a rising wedge move off the lows, and that's what we have right here. And then that rising wedge peaked, consolidated, and then capitulated with a breakdown that we can see right here. And that's what we're doing now at this point in time. So the same capitulation play is occurring here on the level here, and it looks as if though we may have already passed that initial liquidation move, but we are going to move down a big chunk of the way, do a bounce for an ABC, and then one more rollover, ultimately getting us down to this $1.31 level. From there, we get the fun, right? So if we look at the timing wise of this whole thing, and we just kind of line up this second half chunk here, and we just say that's about right there, and then we're capitulating. Let's move this over a little bit more. Right there, that's probably pretty good. All right, so now we have this capitulation, this spike here. Man, yeah, these are never quite good. We're gonna make it smaller. All right, there we go. Spike here, capitulation move is happening now, right? So we're just gonna kind of line that up for the most part. If we do that capitulation move, then we can break down. We can expect that by mid-May, we should be starting to work our way out of this low. So that's the cool part. So it's going to be some chop through this region here. I don't think we're going to get the straight smackdown like we had here back in the day. I do think that ends up being our level to the downside, and then we work our way out of here. So expecting eventually a target here of 131 that we'll be moving towards. So let's see. Then with that though, Sigma's holding up pretty well. So despite all that drama craziness, we're just kind of consolidating right here with an ABC chop, and this may be turning into a bigger flat structure. We have our ABC down, ABC up, and then this may just be a 5-wave thing, but for the most part this has been doing really well with holding its levels, eventually getting ready to move to the upside, and I think we could easily see an explosion up after, especially once we start working on this part of our journey. So as of right now, we're just waiting and watching, looking for this to finish its capitulation move down to $1.31-ish, right there for that inefficiency, and we close all that little gap right there. Then we're free to go. We've accumulated this whole region, and that's kind of what I've been watching and musing upon. So our triangle of doom did play out to the doomness. So, all right, guys, we'll check in tomorrow. Thanks for watching.